Welcome to Las Vegas Shaolin Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today lesson the level 2, 少林拳. First movement, 上格肘，下格肘. A blocking on up, a blocking on down, with first stance. The first move is blocking move. If someone punches me, I go blocking, and I will keep blocking down. I can attack back. Your right hand becomes faced, and you make step your right, and you go blocking from down, go up. Your left hand to make sure the angle is right. You can move a little wider or a little narrow, and the same thing. You're gonna quick go down. Your left hand attach on your elbow right here, and to make your first stance, your fist just a little bit outside of your first stance. To make sure your both leg, the level is flat, and both knees go outside, and you stay in the center. Fight, shot, 1, 2, 3. In this combination, we have a 3 part. The first move, we got a snap kick. You bend your knee and this is powerful snap kick. And after you go 叉掌, your hand straight, and you go 叉掌 again, and quick turn to the other direction. Your both hand become faced, and you go. With the first snap kick, we call front kick. So front kick have a 2 kind of front kick. So one is called heel kick. So the heel kick is the same technique. You bend your knee and you gotta kick by your heel or the whole foot, and you push. So that is the heel kick. And snap kick is different. So you go knee lift. The first move is the same, and you got go quick kick by your toe point and to attack right this way. So snap means like really fast and break. So the speed is the key. So with the movement 1 and 2, and you become 1 will be just that's called snap kick. The second move we call 叉掌. So this is 左叉掌, left hand. So your most power or finger point stay tight and strong. Mostly you go attack the throat. And the same thing another one. So you got practice with the 叉掌. This is how we use for 叉掌. Right, so quick talk about empty stance. So empty stance also called the cat stance. So your toes try to set as a 45 degree like this way. The best way to practice, so leave your left knee lift. So you can't really go down because this toe point you can put anywhere like empty. So you got set in front of you, and you got to try with your both hand like this, and you stay low as possible with good balance. So this is a blocking movement. You can say my left hand from my waist and go blocking on top of my head to blocking. If someone attack me, at the same time to make more powerful and more effective, you make that same time the big step. So powerful, solid, strong stance is very important. For example, if someone to attack you, right, so you can blocking by this side, and after you can use your 少林拳 with the 叉掌, or you can use the snap kick. So let's go to the next part. So let's talk about this grabbing and kicking technique. So if someone punches, so the first move you say you got grabbing by your left hand, and you got to twist. Then you can really just trick like this way, and then you can kick Welcome back for a step-by-step tutorial of Shaolin Quan. In this part of the video, we got to show you how the way to training to improve your connection between each moves. So follow me step by step. Let's go. You got to get your left hand and your right hand become fist, and you go blocking. This is the opening move. So your left hand to front top and go down. So this move is blocking. If someone kicking you, you go blocking right this side. At the same time, your right hand go up and protect your head. So this is together. Just put your intention. This is blocking. This is blocking. Same time. And with that side, and you bend your knee both sides like this. So with the way you're training, you have to put your speed each time you do. You go. Always think about why you're doing this move, right? And it's to make solid and strong with the opening move. That's great work to keep practice. Like do the next move with the connection from the first one, the high side. So your intention already clear if someone coming from that side. That's why you look that side, right? So after you gotta go to the snap kick. So you gotta quick to start, just like we mentioned before in my lesson. So the quick walk and you have quick speed and powerful kick. So like this. What? This is the first move. You got really walk quick. At the same time, you both head come here to get prepared. Already. That's a great speed. And you go boom to make that kick. As I mentioned, this is a movement 1 and 2 with the snap kick. That become one move. You gotta go bam with that speed and broken whatever the target is. What? Right? The one. That's the first move. Target is right there. Go kick quick. As soon as you land, you imagine if someone punch you, go block you on top. And then the punch go up and go down. Same time, boom. You got first that solid. The blocking down, up and down. So you're solid stance. So practice repeatedly to getting better each time. Always put your intention right there. Alright, so for this part of the movement, we have a transition. How you step back and how to make a quick stance transition with first stance. And let's follow me. After this move, the first move you go, you say quick step back. Same time, your left hand charge up, go down, and your left hand to blocking up and go down with the first stance. So for the way how we can transfer from the quick step back and got your first stance and blocking up and down. So follow me with this move. So after this, right? So you got to go quick step back. Just the same like before, we step forward. You both hand together. This is an on guard position. You get ready for either attack or blocking, right? So this is step back, but the attack will be followed after. One. At the same time, quick, two, charge up. So your charge up is very tight with your finger. So you go attack. Either can be flat level, a little higher and lower. Doesn't matter. With your power. Yes. And put it in imagine with your intention. Someone punch right there. Attack. And go down. So same with your stance. You go step back, your heel up. That's the good way to go blocking. Your body lean a little bit this way, and then you go blocking down and solid down with your center line balance. Alright, so for this part for move we have charge up, charge 2 times, and after quick turning, your both hand become fist and go empty stance. So let's work on the transition, speed and power as well. So you got this one, so quick, both hand open, come back your waist, first line, push straight, your head like the line and pull you. So that's the way you can get quick up, speed, fast you can, perfect. And then you stop the same time with your attack. Again, 1, then you got a 2, then you stop your right, both hands, right this moment, become fist, and twist from down, chop, with your double punch, and empty stance. Let's just work on quick with your steps. How can connect this smooth, powerful, and with your good speed, right from here, right? The first 2 moves, 1, shot, right there, and go, step, with 2 attack, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. 1 and 2, 3, 1. With your power punch. Again, go 1, So quick you start, more power you get. So you go once, and after you both hand to coming together, right from other side, left, and same time you're gonna trip. So once you got trip, with that intention you trip someone like very strong, and after knee lift, kick down, and after left hand from down and twist to this way, make a strong punch. Left hand, so aiming the direction, you make a strong step. Make sure your toes are straight, and you go punch. Same time, so you twist your toe and become her stance. So repeatedly punch, like spring punch, powerful, fast, and effective. Alright, so with this part, we already do multiple moves, just the order changes. Follow me to get step by step. So after this punch, after you step back, quick, your right hand from down go up and step to make this pose. High step, left, step, your right with your cha-cha. After you step your right, you're blocking up and blocking down. You same move, quick, come back your waist. Two, kick, down, left blocking and right blocking. Right, so for this part, we already been mentioned the technique exactly same like before. Let's just quick go through from here. So you go right there and both hand open, come back your waist. So you go left and right, and both hand become fist, turning and go down with your stances. Wish, 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 wish. That is the ending part, very powerful for 4 moves. So let's start with this. So quick step, you push palm and to get more power. Punch. After, you're gonna twist your left hand and come back with your first stance. This is a blocking movement. You twist, come back. Twist, come back from towel and go low. Let's do this again. With this move, you go powerful. And you go twist and go down. And after your right hand from down, boom, 超拳 uppercut, powerful like this. Go, very nice. And twist your hand to blocking right this way. Your left hand right here, and go down. Left hand stay this way, and fit together, and boom. That's all for today, my friends. Hope you like this video. If you're first time here, I'm sure you want to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. I see you in next video, and bye bye.